This is a review for these two nano bags. I have the sling in black and the standard tote in the blue waves pattern. These bags stuff into their own tiny pouch about the same height as a chapstick tube, but they can fit 19 liters and they weigh less than 1 ounce. They can easily be stored on your keychain or in your pocket, purse, luggage, or car. I really love these bags, especially for travel. I keep one in my personal item on flights so I can store my jacket or sweater if it's too warm, and I always keep at least one of them with me when out. They're also great to use as shopping bags and beach bags. They're made of a very soft and pliable fabric, which is not crinkly like other reusable bags. So here's the actual sound. You don't need to fold these in any special manner, you just stuff it back into the attached pouch. Overall, I really love these bags. I love how small and convenient they are to carry around while being able to carry a lot of items and weight. The company states they can carry 66 pounds, although I have never needed to carry that much. I also like the option between the tote bag and the sling bag, which I can carry as a crossbody to carry it around hands-free. I've had these for several months and have used them a lot so far, and the quality is great. I haven't had any problems. I highly recommend them if you're looking for a good reusable bag.